If you are trying to connect to your iTunes and App Store by using your Apple ID, and if you get a verification failed message while trying to connect, then let us see some of the ways by which we can try to fix the issue. The first thing what you have to do is you have to check if there is an internet connection in your device or not. So try to open a website or try to play YouTube videos to check if there is internet connection or not. And the next thing what you have to do is you have to restart your iPhone. Sometimes restarting your iPhone fixes many of the minor issues. Once you have done these two things, try to check if you can connect to the Apple ID or not. And the next thing what you have to do is you have to check if there is correct date and time set in your iPhone or not. And if it's not correct, then you have to set it according to the place where you are right now. So for that one, we will go to settings, we will go to general, we will go to date and time, and make sure to select this option set automatically, so that iPhone can set the time according to the SIM card that you have used in your iPhone. Now let us suppose that if you cannot set this option set automatically, then what you have to do is you have to go to the settings, you have to go to privacy, you have to go to location services, and make sure that this option location services is enabled, so that the device will know the location where you are present right now. So make sure to set the date and time automatically in your iPhone, so that the correct date and time will be set in your iPhone. Now the next thing what you have to do is, suppose if you are using a VPN application to connect to the internet, then what you have to do is try to disable the VPN application and try to log into your iTunes and App Store and check if this will fix the issue. Now generally when you are using free VPN application, then what you will see is for the first few seconds or for the first few minutes you will see that you are connected to the internet, but after that the internet connection drops and you might not be aware about that. So what you do is disconnect from the VPN application and try to connect to the iTunes and the App Store by using your Apple ID. And the last thing what you have to check is you have to check if the Apple server is currently working or not. For that one, we will open any browser, and then we have to open a website called apple.com/support/system status. Open the application, tap on this plus icon, and make sure that all of these options are available at the moment. So if all of the options are available, then it is okay. But if you see that any of the options such as App Store or if the iTunes is not available, that in that case you cannot log into the iTunes and App Stores by using your Apple ID. So do all of these steps and hopefully this should fix the issue. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.